In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Dogecoin using the Binance app in just a few easy steps. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just looking to expand your portfolio, I'm here to guide you through the process smoothly. First off, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Logging in ensures that your operations are secure and that you have access to your own personal Binance account. If you don't have the app, you can download it from your device's app store and create an account if you haven't yet. Now, once you're logged in, the home screen of the Binance app will present you with a variety of options. Spot the option that says add funds and go ahead and tap on it. This is your gateway to the world of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to bring in capital that you can convert into Dogecoin or any other currency you might be interested in. Next, when it comes to specifics, it's time to focus on the cryptocurrency of choice, which in this case is Dogecoin. In the app, there will be a search bar or a list of cryptocurrencies. Type in or scroll through to find Dogecoin, often abbreviated as Doge. Select it by tapping and you'll soon be ready to specify the investment you're planning to make. At this point, you'll need to enter the amount of Dogecoin you wish to purchase. Think carefully about how much you want to invest and input that amount. Right next to this option, you'll be prompted to choose the currency you're using to make the purchase. Selecting the correct currency is crucial for making sure that your transaction is processed accurately and that you pay the right amount. Following this, you'll need to choose your preferred payment method. Binance offers various options including credit or debit cards and peer-to-peer, commonly abbreviated as P2P, transactions. Depending on what's most convenient or beneficial for you, choose your method of payment. It's always a good idea to double check any fees associated with the payment method you choose so there are no surprises later on. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, you'll find a confirm button. Tap that button to proceed with your purchase. Make sure that you've reviewed all the details beforehand to ensure accuracy and that you've selected the desired currency and payment method. In just a short while, your Dogecoin purchase should be completed and you can find your newly acquired Dogecoin in your account balance. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward process to start owning Dogecoin via the Binance app. This method is designed to make cryptocurrency accessible and manageable for everyone. Thank you for watching and happy trading.